Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets and linking code so the Sprite renders reliably. First, confirm your Sprite sheet frame size and pivot. This ensures correct alignment. Once done, import the sheet and set pixel filter and scale to 1 to avoid blurring. Then attach a Sprite renderer or component to your game object and point it at the imported asset. Make sure to save the scene and test a single frame to verify orientation before proceeding. You now build the animation and control logic so sprites move appropriately. Begin by defining frame indices and a frame rate. That tells the system when to advance. In your update loop, accumulate delta time, and when it exceeds 1/FPS, increment the frame index and wrap per loop setting. Next, connect that to a simple state machine, idle, walk, attack, so each state selects a frame range. Once wired, test transitions to ensure frames switch smoothly and timing feels natural. You finish by polishing collisions and optimizing rendering so behavior is robust. Align hitboxes to the sprite pivot and update them per frame if the animation changes extents. Then optimize by reusing texture atlases and batching draw calls to reduce CPU/GPU overhead. This prevents hiccups. Make sure to clamp FPS or decouple animation timing from physics for consistent playback. If something still looks off, log the current frame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.